DKG, the kitchen factory, is one of the largest and most modern kitchen factories in Europe. The totally automated production facility covers 56,000 square meters and operates to the highest quality standards. The factory is capable of producing large volumes, both quickly and flexibly. Every day, 240 workers at the factory manufacture 500 kitchens, and 50 fully loaded trucks leave on their way to satisfied customers. Thanks to integrated chain logistics and just-in-time deliveries from our vendor-rated suppliers, DKG is able to deliver with very short lead times. Flawless production is made possible by the direct link between the 3D drawing and the ultra-modern production machines. With a production line speed of 60 meters per minute, 25,000 cabinet parts are produced daily. Every possible version of cabinet can be assembled in 15 seconds. The fully automatic painting unit enables all NCS colors to be applied to the highest quality standards. Because we use water-based paints, there are no harmful emissions of solvents. The entire factory operates according to the world-class manufacturing principle, the very highest quality standard. To make this possible, the factory has both ISO 9001 and 14001 certification. All employees are actively involved in constantly improving products and processes. Camera systems automatically detect faulty items, and every unit is checked one last time by a quality inspector. The logistics processes are handled and monitored with barcode scanners. Because we use the latest laser technology, the transition between the surface and the edge is invisible. This ensures that these parts have a high level of resistance to moisture and temperature. The factory operates sustainably and responsibly, focusing on the 3 Ps: people, planet, and profit. For example, all of the timber we use comes from sustainably managed forests. The electric forklift trucks are environmentally friendly, and our Euro 6 trucks for deliveries have low CO2 emissions. The trucks are even washed using recycled rainwater. The offcuts and sawdust are incinerated in the 3.5 megawatt biomass system. This generates sufficient energy to heat the whole factory. Solar panels also provide part of the power required by the factory. Thanks to these green sources of energy, DKG the Kitchen Factory is the first supplier of CO2 neutral kitchens. Whether you need 1 kitchen or 1,000, DKG the Kitchen Factory is your best kitchen partner in quality and sustainability.